Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to find the saved password of Facebook. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. If you are logged in to your Facebook app but you don't know your password, then you can find by using this simple step. If you go to Facebook and over here search for your password and settings, you can't find your password over here because it's against the security policy of Facebook. If it is available over here, everyone can access and your privacy can be breached. So now I'll share you the trick to find the saved password of Facebook. So for that, tap on the settings and now scroll down and go to this Google. And after that, tap on this manage your Google account. And after a while, you'll find this interface. Just scroll these tabs to the left, you'll find here security. Tap on this, and after going to the security, scroll down and you'll find this password manager. Just tap on this, and over here you can find all the saved passwords. Now I'll tap on this Facebook, and you can see it's asking for access. I'll give mine, and now you can see my Facebook profile name. And here is password. Just tap on this I button and you can find your password. So in this easy way, we can see the saved password of Facebook. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.